In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the narrator voice on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath vision and select narrator. And if you want to change the narrator voice, just go to where it says choose a voice and click the drop down and you can select a different one from the list. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.